I wish you can see her legs in the front, babe. She's got 4 of them moving in the front.
She's getting super close to her, huh?
Her little dance, her little waltz.
Alright, jump. I mean, you're gonna like your superfood.
Dang, she must be really hungry. She's never took this long, huh? Has she?
Mm-mm. Jump.
I think she's smelling it.
Is that super cold? Yeah.
The fly was alive still, huh?
Yeah, super alive.
Yeah. I think that's what she liked, huh?
That's why my sister scratched me.
Excuse me?
My sister scratched me. Dad, do he have eyes? Dad, do he have eyes? He's still jumping spider. Let me see.